Samsung x Google is official. What's up guys, we're back with some latest exciting news. Google I/O just dropped the official Android 12 Beta 1 that reveals some deep secrets on Google's next big thing, the next big Samsung x Google project that's even beyond the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. One of Samsung x Google collaboration has been made official, Tizen OS combined with Wear OS for an ultimate upgrade. It's gonna be available for all OEMs to use. Not just that, we've got an absolute mental upgrade for the Galaxy Watch 4. Before we get into all of that, we now know who Google chose for the camera of the Pixel 6 Pro. According to Yogesh on Twitter, who's got a respectable track record, he says that the Pixel 6 Pro is rocking a large 50 megapixel unannounced Sony sensor. This sensor is rumored to be that brand new IMX800 sensor, one of the largest smartphone sensors out there. Apart from this absolute mega beast upgrade for the main camera, it's got a 8 megapixel optical zoom that goes up to 5x level, ultra wide angle lens, and color correction sensor. He further says that for now, this is what Google has decided, but the mass production will happen in the month of August, so some things can still change. So Google once again is going with Sony, but I kind of support this decision because we have not seen IMX800 sensor in action, so it could just be the best sensor out of all the sensors that we have seen right now. Google is not taking any chances. This time they're going big, they're going hard, and it might just bring them back to that #1 smartphone camera position. Now, going beyond the Google Pixel 6 devices, we now have some confirmation on the upcoming Foldable Pixel device. Google just made the Android 12 Beta 1 official, and I'll be talking about the features later on in the video, but we've got some codename leaks for multiple Google devices, including Pixel 5a, 2 Pixel 6 devices, and then codename Passport, which is rumored for the upcoming Foldable Pixel device. This is yet another Samsung x Google collaboration. As we know, Samsung is rumored to give Google their 8-inch to 7.3-inch foldable display. Google, as we know, the father of Android, they're gonna have that complete control over that pure Android 12 version that we'll see on this Foldable Pixel device. I can't wait to see what Google ultimately does. It might even pick up the same camera setup as the Pixel 6 Pro, we'll see about that. But this pretty much confirms that a foldable phone from Google is in the works. Now, coming back to the official stuff that was announced at Google I/O, first up we have Android 12. Android 12 is the biggest software update since the Android 5.0 Lollipop. We've got a brand new UI, all new appearance and look for the quick toggles and the quick notifications. Google has also updated the lock screen. We also have some brand new security indicators. This is definitely the most secure Android version ever. And best of all, every smartphone that will get the Android 12 update will get a performance boost. According to Google, Android 12 has 22% reduction in CPU runtime, which means we'll have faster performance, faster app launch, and it's also got smoother animations. Overall, this upgrade is absolutely amazing, and considering Google is working on their own custom silicon, the optimization level on the Pixel 6 Pro could be absolutely insane. Also, Samsung and Google have combined forces to bring Tizen Wear OS. This brand new software will bring 30% faster app launch, better battery life, and faster animations. Now, speaking of Android smartwatches, we've got a flagship smartwatch coming soon from Samsung, aka the Galaxy Watch 4. According to Ice Universe, it will pack an amazing bezel-less narrow design, a new 5nm chip, Tizen Wear OS. It'll even have a bigger battery. This will be Samsung's best shot at competing against Apple, or perhaps even creating the best smartwatch out there. So that's all the latest news. Google Pixel Fold is in the works. Pixel 6 Pro is getting a massive camera upgrade. Let me know your thoughts about everything in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel for daily tech updates. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.